It's the next night, Friday, November 12th. Oh, they took away all the debris, I see. And the tractor is back in front of that door over there, or the opening to the back of the bowling alley where all the mechanical equipment was or is. Okay, I still see the door open. They got the tractor butt up against it. Maybe we can see if they removed everything else or not. I don't know. All the trash is gone, even the stuff that was there. And the wood and all that stuff. Yeah, so they got this butt up against the door area. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to bowling pins. Yeah, I should be able to. Exit sign is on. Yeah, they haven't taken any more equipment out here, so it's still the same. Old PA speaker up there, I see. So you can see the ceiling fans over there. Everything's still lit. Those are old fluorescent fixtures, it looks like. Let me zoom in. Yeah, those are pretty old. And the exit sign, let me see the phone. How far I can get in there. I don't think I can get that. Okay, let me try to zoom back out. Come on, phone. Phone doesn't want to zoom back out. Alright, there we go. So, we're back at the bowling alley Sunday, November 14th. There's really no change in the back. Though this fan is now going again. That's over the counter. Yeah, phone wants to not focus. Well, this tractor's really digging into the concrete there. That's weird, they took the small tractor away too, or is it in that whatchamacallit thing? So yeah, the fans are still going. And the trailer, the little trailer. That's what it is. Alright, so no change really, other than what we just saw. Let's try this again. So yeah, there's really no change. Okay, it doesn't want to zoom back. Look through the side over here. We haven't been in this area for quite a while. Yeah, most of them are going. One of them's turned off completely. Yeah, I think those originals are custom made, I guess. Or not custom made, the finishes on them are custom because they're black and silver. The blade holders are silver and the rest of the fan is black. I'm not sure if they actually came in that finish or not, but they're definitely pre-1980 5 because they have the old half moon shaped blade holders. So there you have it. Any more updates, I will check back in. It's Monday, November 15th. Back at the bowling alley. It's not really much change. Power's still on. The fan light kits are all still on. Or at least most of them. I noticed there's a light over here near the junction box. I wonder what that's about. I noticed it last week and I didn't really investigate it, but now I'm gonna go over here and see why is there a light on over here? Okay, that's the side. You see the fans going still. And there's something over here on the wall that's lit up. Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's just a light where the trash is that comes on. So that's really nothing. Okay, so let's walk around to the other end and see if there's been any kind of change with activity going on back there with the tractors. Bunch of cars parked over there. I don't know what's going on over there. Okay, so there's the fans from the front view, and they're still going. The one over the counter is still going. Okay, so the little trailer is gone. And also the smaller tractor, well, that's been gone for a couple of days, at least since Friday. I've noticed it. It's been gone. Yeah, there's hasn't been much anything else going on here. Still a little bit of a pile of junk here. Did they do anything inside? Probably not. Let me turn. I've got to cut out so I can turn the light on. Okay, you see the wheel of the tractor. It's against this. Actually, it'd be easy to get in here. Yeah, they haven't done anything. No bowling pins laying around on the floor. And the fans over there. Yeah, they haven't done anything. Nope. I have no idea. I'm confused at this point. I mean, if they're gonna tear the place down, they're really taking their sweet time doing it. But again, these big tractors are here. Unless they're removing some things from the bowling alley, and yeah, they probably needed those tractors to get that bowling equipment into a dumpster or something they probably brought here. Or one of those trucks that takes the scrap to the scrap yard or whatever. Who the hell knows? Maybe somebody wanted the equipment. Alright, there's a car parked over there. That's probably doing lift. I gotta turn my lift on and start work. So I will check back in if there's anything new going on here. Alright, it's Friday morning, November 18th at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I didn't work lift last night. And the whole week, nothing has changed. It's been completely stagnant here. And, I went out to the bar and had a few drinks. Lights are still on. Everything's still the same over here. Let's see what we can do tonight. Nothing has changed. There was a city fucking thing parked over there, but it's gone tonight. Ooh, look at that. That whole fucking tractor is gone over there. Look at where the wall, it blocked the wall. I can get right into the bowling alley right now, where the fans are going right now. So let's do that. Look at that. That tractor is completely gone. Complete surprise. This one's still there. I know the phone doesn't want to focus as it normally doesn't. Everything's still like on the ground over here. But look at over here. So we can totally get right in here. Let me see. Squeeze in. We're in. We're completely in right now. Is this handle door open? I don't know. There we go. We're into the bowling alley. Look at there. We're in. I can hear the Hunter Originals. Mew, 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 mew. Bowling lane. This is the last lane, obviously. Here we are. We're in the bowling alley. I hope they're not going to tear this down. Wow. There we go. The first Hunter Original. Let's go to the second one. This is one that's making the noise. Wow. We are in. Oh my God. See the round vents? There they are. With the dotted asbestos ceiling. Something hanging here. See, some of the ceiling is open. Wow, crazy. Okay, this one's off. So you got black lights there. See, some of the ceiling is torn up amongst these round vents. This one is off, like we saw the other day, and this one's off too. And this one's light gets on and it's not running. That's the bar. I remember going to that bar when I was a kid with my parents. Going here, it was like 1989 or 90. Wow. I was a young kid coming in here. I was like hanging out at that bar. There's something. See, when you're in the front of the bowling alley, you can see through all of this to the lights of the Hunter Originals. Wow. Bowling lanes. That's the front doors. Don't want to make it too obvious. I hope they're not tearing this down. See, some of the ceiling's torn apart. I don't know why, but some of it is. Restrooms. Should we go into the restroom to see if the water's running? There's a ladder there. Can I turn on the faucets? Yeah, the water's out. There's no water. Toilets. See, that's a bad sign. Very bad sign if the water's not running anymore. ladies' room. Well, let's get out of here before we get in trouble. See? The originals. Going through. Normally I would not be bold to do this, but had too many drinks tonight. I could not resist. So now we're going through this. So they tore out this part. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 lanes. Boy, these pens are dirty. Why are they so dirty? I don't know. But alright, time to go. Alright, let's actually kind of peek what's going on around here. So this is the equipment they took out already. And there's bowling pins. This one's probably one of the cleaner pens. And the equipment, okay, is still around. So imagine, the equipment basically went all the way to the end here, and I'm trying to get a look. Okay, look at this is the back of the equipment here of how a bowling alley runs. And again, there's another hole in the ceiling here. And this is like regular drop ceiling, probably from the 60s. The regular 4x2 or whatever it is. And you got motors running with belts. Look at that, belts. And the phone is not wanting to focus. More drop ceiling, that's not. See, wires torn out of boxes. Switches and wires torn out. It's sad to say they're going to be tearing this down. Look at this room. Oh, we're way in a back deep area. Wow. Exhaust fan. Oh, look at it. You got speakers. Those are definitely from the 80s. One over there. An exhaust fan in between. Technique speakers. Wow. You got stuff on the shelves here. Wow. Something there. And there's even more. That's more. That's a lot of equipment for the bowling. But, the whatever machines that run the whole fucking, I don't even know what you call it. That runs the whole bowling alley. Pins, Wow. Okay, time to go. I'm going back out, get into my car, and I'm leaving. See, there's the exit sign. That's still there. Ooh, bowling ball. Oh my God, let's go bowling. Pins around. Oops. See, there's the exit sign that we were trying to get a picture of. That's still lit a little bit. Some of the phone never wants to focus on anything, obviously. Okay, it's time to get the hell out of here. So and now it's starting to rain. So we took a tour of the bowling alley. 9 minutes and 46 seconds. Time to click off. Thank you for watching.